Hello guys, welcome back to Spot Original. Now I will give you tutorial. And before that, I wanna ask you, how are you guys? So you don't miss off our videos. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. And let's start it. First, we go to the Facebook application. After that, you can click the three strip in the upper of the corner. Scroll down until you can click the settings and privacy and click settings. First, you can go to the post here. Don't forget to make the post with only friends here. Go back, you can click followers and public content here, and you can also click the friends. You can individual post without affecting account settings. You can click the friends. Public post notification, you can choose friends or friends. Public profile photo, only your friends. And you can go back to the how people find and contact you. Or can you send you friend requests, you can click friends or friends here. So the stranger is count to be send a request friends. You can see your friend list. You can also click just your friends. You can look up using the email address and provided. You can click friends here. You can look up using the phone number you provide. You can also only me or friends or friends of friends. And go back and enough. I hope this video is useful for you, and bye.